Welcome to the step-by-step guide where I'll walk you through how to download, install, and activate the Materia Shopify theme. If you just bought Materia or you're setting up for the first time, this will take you from the checkout page all the way to seeing your theme live and ready to customize. Once you complete your purchase on the Materia Themes website, you'll land on a confirmation page. Right there, you see a download button. Click it and the Materia zip file will download straight to your computer. After that, open your email inbox and you'll receive an order confirmation email that includes your license key. Keep that email nearby because you'll need the key in the moment when we activate Materia inside Shopify. Now go to the zip file you downloaded and extract it. You'll see all the Materia templates inside, like Shine, Prime, Premiere, and the rest of all. You won't upload the full zip file, you only upload one template, the one you want to use for your store. With that ready, open your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, and click Upload Theme. Choose the template zip you want, upload it, and let Shopify process it. When it's done, click Publish to make it live. Next, all you have to do is click on Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. The first thing you'll see is the Materia activation window. All you have to do is just paste in your license key from the email. Press Activate, and Materia unlocks instantly for your store. From here, you can start customizing your homepage, your product pages, your colors, layout, and all the conversion features that Materia comes with. Make it look how you want, play with the sections, and build your store the way you imagine. And that's the full setup. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more guidance, you can check our live documentation, or you can check out the rest of our YouTube content. See you in the next one.